So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to send videos from gallery as a snap. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So first off, we open our Snapchat, and right here I'm just gonna not show my camera, but here the first thing you have to do is swipe up at the camera screen and go to memories. And then from there you just have to find your camera roll or your home, and there you go. And then under that, just select the video under the home or camera roll like I just said, and then just press and hold on the photo you want to share to whoever you like to, and select what you want to do with it, and there you go guys. It's just that simple, and that is how to send a video from your gallery as a snap. So if you like this video, I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.